Welcome to the channel of Delco Contracting. Thank you for checking out our videos. Let's go.
Hey, good morning, everybody. We're gonna go take care of a driveway, get it all prepped, and last night me and Tom, we actually had a super late pour. Very long day.
So we had to get the skid steer onto the trailer, so that's what we're doing next. Then we put wood in the trailer too.
All right, so we're all loaded up. We're all ready to go. We got some forms for the driveway, machines in. So we'll see you guys over there. Yeah, I just started driving to the job, but now I just realized I forgot my coffee. I gotta turn around and grab it, especially after last night. So quick pit stop, and then we'll be on the road. We're gonna unload this machine. We got some forms and stuff. We gotta get them out of here. Take the machine off. This driveway is kind of on a slope, but you just have to pour it very tight. So shouldn't be a problem, because we'll get the truck going up most of the way.
Hey guys, thanks for checking out the video. Please like and subscribe. So today's weather, it's partly cloudy and it looks like it's gonna rain. But the good news is we're not pouring concrete today, so it doesn't matter. But the only thing that can happen is the rain could create mud and the machine could get stuck with those bald tires. But don't worry, we have new tires that we're gonna be putting on in an upcoming video, so stay tuned.
One thing we gotta do is jackhammer around these rails right here. Gotta get this concrete out without using the machine probably. Just work on getting a crack going across right there. And then I'll get all this out. And then from there you can work on the rest of it or however you do it, Nah, I'm good, thank you. I'll hang on to them now. Showing them at some point. Actually, I probably will. This machine drives me crazy.
Yeah. Silence.
This thing's so loud. About to jump in the skid steer. We're gonna start ripping up this driveway now. So I'll throw on the forks and start pulling it up.
Give me a starting point.
Yeah, so when you're tearing up these driveways, a lot of times it's hard because you don't have a point to get started. The forks, they do work great, but at the same time, they'll fling something right over the house if you have too much tension on it, so you have to be careful. So what we do a lot of times, we'll take that jackhammer, we'll put a couple holes in it to match up for the forks, and then we can get started. That's our starting point. So it works out great. It's nice and easy.
I think we're loaded. We're good. And then we'll do blacktop next.
Yeah.
Let's go. All right, so we're all loaded up with the concrete. We're gonna run this over to Suffolk, whatever, however you say it, Suffolk. Get rid of this, and we'll come back and we'll cut out all the dirt, the grass, and all that stuff. Bring our base in, and then we'll get our form set, and then we'll be ready for the pour almost on Thursday. Might do the forms tomorrow though. Today's Tuesday, so maybe Wednesday. We'll see.
Samsung mix.
Yeah, they make TVs and excavators.
That's crazy.
Pop this thing.
So we just couldn't get over the fact that Samsung makes TVs and excavators. How do you make a TV and how do you make an excavator? They must be some very smart people there, unless they're two different companies, but who knows. Here's Tom on the dump trailer, picking the thing up, getting rid of the concrete. Now he's gonna bring it back down, so then we could get all set and get ready for the road again. Never forget to clean the back of the trailer too, because when you're driving down the road and you hit bumps, you know what's going to happen, right? Back to the job we go.
Today I got homemade spaghetti and meatballs.
So when making spaghetti and meatballs, you got to make sure that you use bread that's kind of stale. And what I did is I soaked in some buttermilk. It's actually a recipe that my mom used to have, and I just wanted to try to make the meatballs just like what she used to do.
Cheese.
They weren't quite there, but they're not too far away either.
Right. Gotta do like jumping jacks or something. Get in the groove.
Getting back to the spaghetti and meatballs, when you cook them, what I did is I used a cast iron pan. You know, I actually like to sear them a little bit. You know, people will say that's burnt, but honestly, I think it gives it flavor and I think it gives it a good touch. Where I messed up is I took the ground beef and I worked it a little too much, and therefore it kind of made it not as good.
See the lines that go across?
Yeah, where it could go underneath.
Yeah, I don't want to mess with it too much. Yeah, just throw it in a pile and I'll come by and grab it all. All right.
And this is the exact moment where it happened. Here it is. And that's my guinea pigs in the background. They can't believe it either.
There's a Comcast line.
Found it?
Yeah. No, I found it with the machine. I think all this we gotta just dig by hand, I guess.
So Tom and I, we're having a great day. You know, we're just digging, eyes on the machine there. Next thing you know, I'm on the one side of the yard and I'm digging down with the machine and I hit a utility. I was following all the mark outs, but this one was not underneath the mark out, and that's why I hit it. I did have a feeling not to go for that last bucket like we all usually do, and I did, and next thing you know, when I curled back, there it was, that good old orange line.
I mean, I was hoping there'd be a lot of roots. Tired, so that's what's making it hard. Oh, this isn't connected to anything.
This is just the news that I wanted to hear. I wanted to hear Tom say this isn't connected to anything.
Okay. I literally just lightly tugged it and it all came out. We broke it over there. That's what happened.
I was so happy to hear him say that. It actually just made my day better. Even though the clouds were out, it was still bright for me.
So we're gonna cut off for today. I think we had enough fun. Like, you know, I said previously, we were up till 11:45 last night, finished some concrete. So now it's time to go home and get some rest. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey, good morning. So it's day 2. We're getting ready to pull out all this asphalt. Hey Tom, good morning, Charles. How you doing? Good. How you doing? Good. I'm still tired.
Things changed.
All right, so let's get started.
Yeah, so we're still tired from the other job, the one where we worked till 11:30 at night. It was a very long night, very long day. So we're still feeling it even though it's 2 days out. So we're still recuperating. You know, at least we're not doing anything too hard, but at the same time, it's still hard when you're really tired. So where we're from is New Jersey. We're not too far from the shore. You know, this is actually where, you know, I grew up pretty much my whole life. There was one point where I moved out to Kentucky when I was 6 years old. My family moved out there. So I was from 6 to 10 years old, about, so 4 years out in Kentucky. And when you came back to New Jersey, finally, when my family decided to move back, there was nothing like it. Nothing like going down to the ocean, also just seeing the things that you're familiar with. Seeing all the locations, the water, smelling the ocean air, the seagulls. So I never thought I'd miss a seagull, but when you come back to New Jersey, you realize that you do appreciate them. They're part of the whole ocean experience, I guess you'd say. So after finally loading up with all the driveway material, I actually ran it. Tom, he dug right here by the front steps. He was cutting all that dirt out, getting everything all ready. And, I was out. I was grabbing some base as well. So when I came back, I just had to do a little cut more and bring the base in. And we were one step closer. Let's run this, and then maybe what we'll do is grab the power buggy.
Oh, that's a good idea. Yeah, so it's here. We don't have to worry about it anymore.
Still feel tired?
Yeah.
Me too.
More so now.
Yeah. I don't know what it is.
I don't know either.
We're gonna do a 4-ton, okay? Thank you. We don't have our short screws with us. We have these longer ones. So you just have to work with what we got. So here's a little trick. You put it in like this. Then you gotta hit it down to height.
All right, so here I come with the trailer. I'm backing up. All right, right to the edge. Okay, stop. That would have been bad if I went off that edge. I don't know how much a tire would have liked that one. Let's lift it in high speed just to get this stuff out.
get another load of base. Yeah. Can you hold this tape against the garage apron? Okay. Thank you. It looks good.
The issue we were having here was we're pouring concrete tomorrow, and we had to know how much base we needed in order to get it done. So if we didn't have enough base, then you know what that means. That means you need more concrete, and more concrete is more expensive. So therefore, we're just trying to get this space in just so we have it all accurate and in place in time.
I mean, I could see right now it has to all fill from the middle, kind of like all through there. So we'll do that. We'll run a string across, get a couple measurements, see where we're at, tamp it, then fine tune it. So when we fine tune it, I'll just sprinkle it. Yeah, let's check it real quick too before you start that back up.
Yeah.
What happened? Your machine broke down?
Throttle string off. Back up.
Yeah. See, you gotta bring that thing to the shop.
Yeah, it's leaking gas, the exhaust fell out.
So that's all 6 except for 8 through here.
What's that at, 7?
7 1/4.
Kidding.
So look, we go like this though, right here. And then any extra that we'll put down there, and if we don't have extra, we'll go to Home Depot.
These ones, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got too much blend.
You definitely use more if you needed more, just not that much, right? Or no?
Yeah, I definitely needed more. Yeah, we definitely did. Whatever. I'd rather have this problem versus the other one. All right, so Tom, he's really been learning how to shovel for the past couple weeks, and this is the moment that we've been waiting for. We got to see if he could shovel all this up without getting it everywhere in one shot. So I know he's probably pretty nervous and stuff, but this is it. So let's see if you could do it.
Oh, so close.
Yeah. I think you need a little more time, all right?
A little more practice. I don't think I'm there yet.
Please like and subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to see how we finished it all the way, be on the lookout for our next video. See you then.